Okay, so hi dear Aquarius, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a journal of reading for all the Aquarius Sun, Moon, Venus rising from today till the 20th of April. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, not your story. Want to be a reader like me or want to have personal reading or healing sessions? You can check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For the best healing modality of the whole universe, Ho'oponopono masterclass link is given below in the description box. And if you want to start your self-love journey, the 30 days self-love challenge is on now. Description box have the details. Okay, let's start. Aquarius, your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment are, honey. Let's see what we have. We have the Knight of Pentacles. Someone is feeling stuck in the situation. It's like they're not able to move on. They're not able to stay. They are in the middle of what should I do now? Feeling stuck. Although the energy is mature and grounded but feeling stuck. Let's clarify the Knight of Pentacles. I am sick, yeah. I am going to make a video for you guys, especially because these days a lot of things are changing and happening. So I should share it with you guys. You guys are my family. I'm talking about the whole channel, yeah. We have the Ten of Swords and the Five of Wands and the Wheel of Fortune. According to this person, this energy, the worst is over in the situation. The conflict is gone, the fight is gone, the issues are gone. Now this person is feeling like with time everything is going to be fine. It's all about divine timing in the situation. But for the time being, this person is feeling stuck even if the worst is over. They're not able to understand what they should do next in order to find the peace within themselves. Yeah, it's kind of restless energy. Stuck and restless. Let's see, what do you feel about this particular person or situation from your side? Aquarius, let's see, honey. Two of Swords. So from your side, you feel like you're not able to see the clear picture of the future ahead of you, even if you're trying your best to get the clarity here. You're kind of feeling stuck in your own head about things. Let's clarify the Two of Swords here. We have the King of Wands, the Ace of Wands, the Four of Wands. Wow, there's a lot of passion. There's a lot of passion, there's a lot of desire from your side to create a commitment kind of energy, long-term partnership, marriage kind of energy, but you're not sure whether this is the right person for you or this is the right situation for you, or you should move towards something else or someone else, maybe a totally new energy. Wow, but you have this passion and desire to create something really beautiful for yourself because you feel energetically you are ready to achieve that goal of yours. Okay, let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, honey? Emperor. This person wants to take the charge of the situation, or you can say this person wants to control the situation somehow according to their own wishes and desires. Wow, let me clarify the Emperor. And they want to give it the name of, yeah, I know what I'm doing, but I care, that's why I'm doing that. Yeah, trust me, or something like that. Okay, let's clarify the Emperor here, honey. We have the Six of Cups, the Two of Pentacles, and the Hanged Man. Okay, because of the past experience or experiences they had in their own individual life, this person thinks that they know everything what they should do and what they should not do in order to make a situation work out. So this person wants to make things work out in their own individual way so that they can create a stability kind of energy in the situation based on their past experiences. I'm not saying this person is bad or good or anything, but because of their past experiences, they want to control the situation according to them. And then they want to like see things want they want you to see things from a different perspective so that you can understand they are doing it in a beautiful way, in a positive way, and it's for the highest good of this connection. Their intention is not actually bad at all, but might be their way is not cool and not maybe healthy. You need to figure it out for yourself. Let's see, what do you want from this particular person or situation from your side, honey? Justice card. You just want to do the right thing here. just want to do the right thing here. It's like you know what is the right thing to do in this situation, and you just want to follow that path. Let me clarify the justice here. We have the justice, the seven of cups, and the three of pentacles. See, you don't want any ifs or buts or conflicts or confusions whatsoever in a situation. If something or someone is coming forward towards you with a total clarity, with a balancing kind of approach, you are ready to put in the effort and energy in that direction. Otherwise, you don't need this situation at all in your life, and you're pretty sure, pretty clear about it. It's a double confirmation because of we got justice twice from two different decks. So you simply want to put in the effort and energy in the right direction with the right kind of energy, balanced kind of approach. Otherwise, you are ready to cut something or someone out of your life permanently. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see what's coming forward towards you till the 20th of April, honey. Page of Pentacles. It's just the start of something very small. Yeah. But just the starting of something here. Let me clarify the Page of Pentacles. We have the Ace of Cups. Wow, that's a good card. And then we have the Age of Cups and the Five of Pentacles. You're straight away heading towards something new or someone new. Something new or someone new. You might not be knowing the exact path or exact energy where you are going or where you're heading, but you're trusting the universe, trusting the process. You're letting go of something or someone that is giving you like this loss kind of energy all the time, loss or losses. Maybe it's a multiple experience with the same energy, or same experience with multiple energies, but you're understanding what you need now, what you want now, and you're straight away heading towards that. You're like going one step forward in that direction. Yes, it's painful. Yes, it seems impossible to find that kind of energy that's going to align with you, but consciously or unconsciously you are taking the first step towards your own goal. At least you're trying to. That's a very big thing, actually. Hmm? That is what I'm getting for you guys till the 20th of April. For you, the guidance is the Nine of Cups here, honey. Keep yourself as happy as you can from your side. Do things that makes you happy from inside out. Surround yourself with happy energies, happy vibes. Happy doesn't mean smiling all the time. Happy sometimes means peaceful. Yeah. Keep yourself in a peaceful energy. Surround yourself with peaceful people and peaceful energies, and then you will be able to find your path yourself, right? Once you are at peace, you will be able to find your path very, very clearly and honestly. Peace is very important, right? Yeah, that's a piece of advice I have for you. Clever. So yeah, basically guys, this is what I have for you. Hope this helps. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.